Hi grade 6s, this is a video to help you with remembering how to reduce fractions. This is something that you are going to be using throughout this entire unit and any time that you're working with fractions from now on. So we're going to start with the fraction 6 over 12. Okay, so 6 over 12. The first way I'm going to show you guys how to reduce this is by finding the greatest common factor. So the way that we do that, of course, is by listing our factors of 6, which we know are 1, 2, 3, and 6. I'm also going to list the factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. So what I need to do now is figure out which factor both 6 and 12 have in common that is the greatest. So we see that that number is going to be 6. So in order to reduce 6 over 12, I'm going to divide both 6 and 12 by 6, which will then give me 1/2. Okay, 1/2 is 6 over 12 in lowest terms or completely reduced. So there is another way that I can do this. And so the way is, again, I'm going to start with 6 over 12. But one of the things that we notice is that both 6 and 12 are even numbers. So I can decide that I am going to divide both of these by 2. So when I divide both of these by 2, I end up with 3 over 6. Okay, so you look at 3 over 6 and you realize, oh, there's something that 3 and 6 have in common, and what 3 and 6 have in common is 3. So when I divide both 3 and 6 by 3, I end up getting 1/2, which is the same thing that I got when I divided by the greatest common factor. It's your choice how you want to reduce your fractions. Just make sure that you always do.